May we be invited to take time to connect with ourselves, our families, communities, friends, and others in ways that are not traumatizing or triggering. May we be invited to acknowledge and embrace the reality of our own lived experiences, regardless of what country we live in, the language we speak, the color of our skin, or the person we choose to love. May we be invited to remember we are all on the same planet, breathing the same air at the same time, connected. May we practice learning, connecting, and reflecting in ways that will manifest the transformations we seek. May we be gentle and have grace, compassion, and patience with ourselves and others. May we pause and take time to check in on the wellness of our mind, body, and emotions. May we seek to transform our spaces, communities, and the world in a manner that ends traumatizing, dehumanizing, and desensitizing us. May we be gentle and have grace, compassion, and patience with ourselves and others. May you be well.